Navigating the digital landscape, a comprehensive guide to web hosting. In the fast paced digital era, having a robust online presence is crucial for business and individual alike. One of the foundational elements that contribute to a successful online journey is reliable web hosting. Let's delve into our intricacies of web hosting, exploring its significance, types, and keys consideration. Understanding the web hosting definition. At its core, web hosting is a service that enable individuals and organizations to make their website accessibility to user via the World Wide Web. Think of it as the virtual space where your website resides, allowing visitors to access its content. Importance. Reliable web hosting is fundamental for several reasons. It influences website performance, landing speed, and overall user experience. A well hosted site enhances credibility, search engine ranking, and ensure uninterrupted accessibilities. Type of web hosting. First, shared hosting. Description. Website shares server resources suitable for small business, personal website. Pros: cost effective, easy to manage. Cons: limited resources, potential performance issue if other site on the server experience high traffic. Second, VPS, virtual private server hosting. Virtual private server hosting serves with dedicated resources suitable for growing business and moderate traffic. More control and resources than shared hosting, and there is a cost costiler than shared hosting. Dedicating hosting. Entire server dedicated to one user, suitable for large enterprises, high traffic websites. Pros: full control, optimal performance. Cons: expensive, require technical expertise for management. 4. Cloud hosting. Resources from network for servers, suitable for scalable for various business sizes. Pros: scalability, flexibility, reliability, and there's a cons cost on scale with usage. 5. Manage WordPress hosting. Description: optimized for WordPress websites, suitable for WordPress user seeking ease. Pros: performance optimization, security features. Cons: limited to WordPress sites. Key consideration: performance. Consider server speed, uptime guarantees, and server location for optimal performance. Scalability: choose a hosting plan that allows room for growth, especially if your website is expected to expand. Security: prioritize a host with robust securities measure, including SSL certificate and regular backups. Customer support: responsive and knowledgeable. Customer support is crucial for advertising issue promptly. Pricing: assess hosting plans based on your budget and feature provided. Conclusion: selecting a right web hosting service is a pivotal decision in establishing and maintaining a successful online presence. By understanding the types of hosting available and considering key factors, individual and business can make informed choices, ensuring their website are not only accessible but also optimized for performance and security in the dynamic digital landscape.